Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about new civil war emerging in Afghanistan. Let's begin with the question. Our question is: civil war certainly a path that can be visualized in if Afghanistan continues on this trajectory. In means we need to provide the details about the Afghanistan conflicts, how it will be a path of civil war, and what are the measures we need to take in, and finally conclusion. So let's see significance that can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of India and its neighborhood and effect of policies and politics countries on India's interest. Civil war is a war between organized group within same state or country to control country and change government policies. Afghanistan is a landlocked country which has been going through a very difficult phase from past 20 years. Now USA pull out from the Afghanistan without any permanent solution. What are the reasons why civil war is a path? Increasing support of Pakistan intelligence unit to Taliban. Taliban is a terrorist group. More frequent attacks on Taliban in Afghanistan. Thousands of Afghan militants left Afghanistan and sheltered in Kazakhstan and various other countries. Afghan or Afghanistani government is not capable to tackle destructive activities of Taliban. At the same time, US troops pull out from the Afghanistan. Then control of Taliban over 185 districts out of 407 districts. No proper food, employment, education facilities in Afghanistan. Then what are the consequences? There are four kind of consequences. These are economic consequences. Greater impact on GDP. Then lack of developed infrastructure. Then also increased unemployment. Social consequences. Taliban make a notorious internationally. Taliban curtail women rights and increase violence against them. Then Taliban prevent after 8 years girls and not give the right to go school for the education. Then political consequences, political instability. Taliban will capture more districts and start ruling. Then miscellaneous consequences are environmental losses due to violence and attacks by bombing, infrastructure loss and degrade school, college, hospitals. Then terrorism increase all over the world. Then human rights violations and children and youths are trained as a terrorist. What are the measures we need to take? Afghanistan should make a deal with each other. Means Taliban. Taliban need to stop bloodshedding and think right to their peoples. Then human rights violations need to check. Then education and healthcare facilities should be provided to the civilians. United Nations and global powers need to come together to resolve these issues. Then need to redeploy the forces in Afghanistan. Then our conclusion would be, to conclude we can say, for the progress of the whole world, all the world need to, and global organization should come together to maintain peace and stability in this region and Afghanistan too. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide your sources to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.